Hello, it's Ben Goldstein coming to you with the third and final installment of our Black Belt Signature Design series. In this tutorial, we are going to cover how to insert your signature into your autoresponder, your blog, and into your email client. So let's start off with inserting the signature into your autoresponder. Okay, first what you're going to want to do is open your autoresponder. Now mine's opened here. I use Aweber. If you use a different autoresponder, that's fine. Just be sure that you apply this tutorial lesson to your own autoresponder. Now next you're going to want to create a message, and you can apply this to your follow-up messages that are already in there. Just take this lesson and apply it to those. It's well worth the time to do it. It will make a difference. Now I've already got a broadcast message pending, so we're going to click this to open it. And the first step is to enter a subject. So we'll enter Black Belt, oops, can't spell tonight, Signature Design Test. And you're going to want to use the HTML message editor right here, okay? This right here is what you're going to want to use. So we're going to come in here and we're going to type in a message. Hello all. This is a test of the emergency broadcast system. Okay, and that's your message. So once you've got your message in there, you're now going to want to get your signature in there. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to come down here to source, and it's going to bring up the HTML text that you see here. Once you have that, what you're going to want to do is go open your Y stamp, which, if you remember, is down here. Edit signature, and you're going to want to toggle to the HTML, and you're going to want to grab all of this text. Okay, so you highlight all of that text, right click and copy, come back to your autoresponder, highlight here, and you'll want to hit Control V, and that is going to insert your signature HTML. Then you want to scroll down here to the design view, this design tab, and you will see that your signature is now inserted. Okay, now getting your signature into your blog post is a little bit tougher, a little bit trickier. It's going to take some trial and error on your part. Now I use WordPress and I use a StudioPress theme. If you use a different theme, that's fine. Just apply this lesson to that and know that you're going to have to go through some trial and error to make it work, okay? So first what we want to do is come down to Appearance right here, and you want to click on Editor. Now this is going to bring up quite a few templates that are templates for your blog. Now again, depending on your theme will determine where this signature HTML is going to go. Now mine happens to go under Main Index Template. And what you are looking for is this section right here. It's about halfway down, maybe a little less than halfway. And it'll usually have something in here just like that, and it may say read more flexibility or read more flexibility 2. You'll notice mine says read more StudioPress, but you're looking for that section of the page template or index template for your blog pages. Again, it's going to take some trial and error, so just be patient with it, okay? Now what you are going to do is come back to your Y stamp, edit signature, and you're going to grab this HTML once again. So you want to copy, come over to your blog, and you will notice that there I've already got it in there, but really right here is where you're going to start it. Now you'll notice that I've got the bracket, the open bracket B, close bracket, open bracket I, close bracket. That is for bold and italic. You don't have to have that, but I just like mine to be bold and italic. So it's just up to you as to whether or not you want to do that. Then you're going to come in here and you want to highlight all of this section here. Now, of course, you may not have all of this in here because my signature is already in there, but that's where you're going to enter it. And you hit Control V once again, and it will paste that HTML content in there. Then you can come over to your blog post, and you will notice that your signature is now inserted. You may have to refresh the page for it to show up, but that's what it's going to look like. Now finally, to enter in this signature, or to enter this signature into your generic email client, and this does work for Gmail if you use Gmail. I happen to use Microsoft Outlook, so I'm going to show you how it works for Outlook. What you want to do is first come up to Signatures, and you'll notice that I've actually already got a signature. I've got two signatures in here, but we're going to create new. So we hit new, and we're going to do Blackbelt signature test 2. Okay, and it's going to bring up a blank template. So what you want to do is this is where you're going to enter in the signature. The difference is when we go back to our Y stamp, whoops, there it is. Instead of using this HTML, we want to go back to Visual, click in the box, hit Control A to select all of the visual content, then Control C to copy all of that content, come back to your signature box and hit Control V, or you can right click and paste. Now your signature will be inserted, but you'll notice the picture does not show up. Don't let that scare you. It will be there. You just hit Save and OK, and you'll notice if I come in here and I do Blackbelt signature test 2, there you go. It enters in the signature. So we've covered how to enter your signature into your AWeber or general autoresponder, into your blog posts, and into your generic email client. I hope you have found this 3-video lesson full of value and helpful. I look forward to doing more of these and providing you with even more value. So be sure to come back and visit my website at www.benjamin-goldstein.com often. Comment often. If you found this video tutorial useful, please leave comments and let me know. And if you need to get a hold of me, feel free to call me. My phone number is listed right there. I would welcome your calls, and I would also welcome any comments you have. So I wish you all the best, much success in your business, and again, we will hopefully see you in the future with future tutorials. Have a great evening. We'll talk to you soon.